Hi guys, here's another video on how to adjust the oil pump setting on your Seadoo 587, 657, or 720. I don't know about the 787 or the 951, but this works for 587, 657, and 720. So you're gonna need a number 8 wrench, and a number 10 wrench right there. What you're gonna want to do is you take the number 10 wrench right here and put it around the big one on the right. And you want to take your number 8 on this small one right there. So all you want to do is hold, see if I can get this on there. It's kind of stuck. All you want to do is hold the number 8 wrench as you're adjusting the so you gotta unloosen the one on the right. Okay, I just loosened it. If I can get it on there. This is kind of a two-hand job. I'm gonna set you right here, and then I'll loosen this right now. All right. All right. Okay. I got it loosened. So right here, this one right here is loosened. So what you want to look for is there's going to be hash marks right there. So right now, that is too rich. That's way too rich. So there's a line. There should be a line right here, right there. And you want these two lines to match up. So you use this right here, the one on the number 8, to watch when I tighten it. When I go this way, compared to one here. I'll just use my hand. The wrench is stuck. Alright. So watch that lever. It's going to change as so see how it's changing? See how it's going down? So that's loosening it. It's really slight, but it is going down. And then this is tightening it. So we really want to get it exactly on the line. So I'd say that is pretty darn close. That's pretty close. Okay. So you're gonna take your number 8 again. Sorry about this blurry. And you want to put it back on the little one. It's really stubborn though. Gonna make sure it didn't move. Okay, it's perfect. And then you want to tighten. You want to tighten the one on the right, which is going down, I believe. Okay. Still see. You just want to make sure it's still aligned after you tighten it. And then you also want to check when you pull this like that the oil pump moves and returns back to its position. So right there, it's dead on. I'm gonna add oil. That's adding oil. And go down. Now it's back to normal. All right. So that's how you adjust the oil level on your Seadoo 587, 657, or 720. Thanks for watching.